Okay everyone, this is Audi Q7 and MMI 2G. I'll show you how to remove this radio out and to install this Bluetooth Mr. 12V. So first of all, you have this removal keys. Take these removal keys out, and you can see these two little flat holes here. So you place it flat and then insert in. Okay. And put it out. Okay. So pretty easy. And after that, you can take this out. You don't need this anymore. You can actually, remove it from here. Just be careful, okay? Okay. Now remove these two plugs. One plug and the second one. It's pretty hard. I should have used a glove. There's no glove available here. Got this plug out. Okay. From here, you have the optical fiber, and you have the power. For the optical fiber, you use the split cable, and you do a bridge. Okay. On one side, you will go into here. And the other male side will go into Mr. 12V. Now comes with the power cable. With the power cable, it's very simple. Again, do a bridge. Okay. From here, you do a bridge here also. Okay. And the last thing you have to do is to connect to Mr. 12V. So you have two cables, optical fiber, and the power one. So it's all plug and play. And last but not least, I have this microphone here. But then you will have to wire the microphone from the dash and all the way to the A pillar, and then through the A pillar to the windscreen. I'm not going to show here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put everything back in here.